Alright, so we just got off work early. I got off work early. Probably shouldn't have. Drove here, met Chow at Lowe's, and now we're gonna go down to the States to pick up
cold air intake
so that we can hear supercharger whines. Ooh, it's gonna be nice. The reason we're going to the States is because it's a lot cheaper on shipping. And
yeah, they wanted like $70 for shipping, which is not worth it.
So Chow got a P.O. box. Save money, plus it's fun. And then we're gonna try and install it in the parking lot. That way we can hear supercharger whines on the way home. Alright, so we're from the Toronto area, so we're headed down to Niagara for the Lewiston border. So that way we can pick up the intake. But we want to do like a before and after so that we can compare what it sounds like. Because apparently this intake, you can really hear the supercharger whine afterwards.
It's a bit more moderate. There's another intake that's called Rock Hero. People say it's a bit more louder whine. But I kind of just want something moderate in between, so that's why I decided to go with it as the Integrated Engineering one for the V8 S4 S5s.
So let's hear the difference, chat.
So this is just stock airbox.
No supercharger whine, but hopefully on the way back she'll be screaming. So we made it to the States. We're in Lewiston. Time to pick up that intake. Picked up that intake. Now time to go back to Canada and install it in a parking lot, right, Jeff?
Hopefully it'll take less than 20.
Alright, so we're back in Canada. Now we're gonna go find a parking lot with some street lamps so that we can see in the engine bay and install the intake. And hear its glory on the way home. So, Chow just gave me the instructions. I'm gonna assemble the intake while he takes out the intake. The stock one, right, Chow?
Yep.
We're doing it in a parking lot under a lamp post. That way you can see under in the engine bay a bit better.
Watch how many people is gonna comment. That's really stupid.
We're desperate to hear the whine. It's important. Alright, give you guys an update. Alright, so we're like 5 minutes into this. As you can tell, it's a little difficult. Chow's working under the hood. So I'm done my portion, Chow's done his. Now we're putting it in the car. It's one last screw. And then we should hear some supercharger whine. Alright, so it's probably like minus 20, it feels like, but it's probably really like minus 9. We're trying to install the intake in a parking lot at an outlet mall under a street lamp. Final steps, and we should hear some dope supercharger whine. My hands have officially frozen into cubes of ice. Chow's just cranking down the filter, and then we'll start this thing up. looks nice in the bay. Alright, so we got the intake in, and we're gonna try and take it on the on-ramp, see what it sounds like with that supercharger one. Just gotta wait, give this guy a bit of space probably. Man, it's cold out today. That was not very fun. Definitely hear it. I don't know if the camera picks it up.